Next we are discussing eighth point. Eighth point is what? See, y equal to fx is given and we want to find out y equal to f of kx. This we want to find out. So first thing is what? From this function to this function, how to get? What you have to do, instead of x we will replace with kx. Okay, so we will get this one. So here x replace with kx, then you will get this function. So in graph what you will do? So what you will do in graph, for y equal to f of kx, in the graph of y equal to kx, y equal to f of x, entire x-axis, divide by k. So we'll get y equal to f of kx graph. So for finding y equal to f of kx graph, what you will do, this function graph we have to divide x-axis with the k. For example, y equal to sin x we know. So sin x graph we know. So this is graph of sin x. This is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. This is what? Minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. Okay, this one. And we want to find out y equal to sine of 3x graph. So here k value is what? 3. K value is what? 3. So what you will do, this function graph, sin x graph, entire x-axis we will divide by what? 3. So what will come here? I am drawing sin 3x graph here. So 0. This point is what? Pi. So this point is what? Pi in sin x. So here what will come? This is, suppose we are writing here pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. This side is what? Minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. This one is there. So this is sin x graph is there. Now what you do, we want to find sin 3x. So this entire x-axis we will divide by k equal to 3. So what becomes 0, pi divided by 3, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, 6 pi by 3, minus pi by 3, minus 2 pi by 3, minus 3 pi by 3, minus 4 pi by 3. And similarly this point. This point is what? Y equal to 1. Okay. So here this point is what? Pi by 2 in sin x. But in sin 3x what will come? This pi by 2 we will divide by 3. So this point is what? Pi by 6. So entire x-axis we will divide by the entire x-axis we will divide by k equal to 3. Correct? So here you can see in 0 to 2 pi how many cycle is coming? 1 cycle. But here this is 0 and 6 pi by 3 is what? 2 pi. This is 2 pi. So you can see 0 to 2 pi how many cycle will come? So 1 cycle will complete here, then second cycle from here to here, and third cycle from here to here. So you can see if I take 3x, so in sin x between 0 to 2 pi we are getting 1 cycle. In sin 3x how many cycle will come? 3 cycle will come. And suppose if I will, k value is what? 1 by 3. K value is 1 by 3. Then what will happen? In this graph only I am discussing sine of x by 3. So here k value is what? 1 by 3. So entire x-axis will divide by 1 by 3. So what will happen? See 0, pi by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So this will come 3 pi by 2. This will come what? 3 pi. This will come what? 6 pi. This will come what? 9 pi. This will come 12 pi. This will come what? 15 pi. And this will come what? 18 pi. This will be 21 pi. This will be what? Minus 3 pi, minus 6 pi, minus 9 pi, minus 12 pi. So this is what sin x by 3 graph is, this one. So we can say that if k value is 3, then entire axis we will divide by 3, and k value is what? Suppose here k value is what? 1 by 3, then entire axis we will divide by 1 by 3. So we know y equal to sin x graph. So from here we can find out sin x by 3 graph also and sin 3x graph also. So here you can see In 0 to 2 pi we'll get 1 cycle. In sine 3x we'll get 0 to 2 pi 3 cycle. But here 0 to 2 pi, so here 2 pi is nothing, 2 pi will come here only, so we are not getting any cycle. Okay, so that means what, here we will reduce the cycle. Next we are discussing ninth point. Ninth point is what, see, y equal to fx graph we know, y equal to fx graph we know. Then here we have to find out y equal to f of x divided by k. This function we have to find out. So this one we can also write as what, ky equal to fx. So from this function to this function, how to get, so here is what y and here is what ky. So instead of y we have to replace with ky. So what we are doing here, y replace with ky. So for finding this function, what we are doing, in this function we are replacing, instead of y we are putting ky. Then in graph what you will do, okay, so for finding this function graph, what you will do, okay, for ky equal to fx graph, y equal to fx graph, in y equal to fx graph we have to divide entire y axis with k. Entire y axis we will divide by k. For example, we know y equal to e power x graph. Okay, so y equal to e power x graph is what, this one. So at 0 what will come, 0 comma 1. So this is x axis, this is y axis. Now what you are doing, instead of y, okay, here we are finding 3y equal to e power x. So for finding this one, what you will do, y replace with 3y. So k value is what, 3. So what you will do, y equal to e power x graph you will draw. This is x axis, this is y axis. So this graph you will draw. So here x equal to 0, this point is what, 0 comma 1. Okay, so this is graph of e power x. We want 3y equal to e power x. So entire y axis we will divide by 3. So this is what, here y value is what, 1, so we will divide by 1 by 3. So at 0 what will come, 1 by 3 will come, correct? So every value we will divide by 1 by 3. So what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? That, say, in this function at x equal to a, you are getting, suppose, e power a. Okay, yeah, f of a. But here what will have, same point will be there, x equal to a only, but here value will come what, f of a divided by 3. F of a divided by 3. F of a is what, this one. F of a is what, this one. Suppose this is what, 2 here. So at x equal to, we are getting, suppose, 2. Then here what will come here, 2 by 3. So here what will come, this is 2 by 3 will come. Okay. Next example is, find the graph of y equal to 3 sin x. Find the graph of y equal to 3 sin x. So how to find out? So first we will draw y equal to sin x graph. Okay, so for y equal to sin x graph we will draw y equal to 3 sin x graph. So what you will do here, see, this function we can involve y by 3 equal to sin x, correct? So here what you will do, instead of y what we will put, y by 3. Instead of y what we will put, y by 3. So y replace with y by 3. Y replace with y by 3. So we'll get y by 3 equal to sin x. So how to draw the graph of y by 3 equal to sin x? Okay, so here k value is what, 1 by 3. K value is what, 1 by 3. So entire y axis we will divide by 1 by 3. Entire y axis we will divide by 1 by 3. So how to do? So this is y equal to sin x graph. So this is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this is 4 pi, this is minus pi, this is minus 2 pi, and this is minus 3 pi. Okay, and so on. This side is continue and this also continue. And you can see here, this is maximum value y equal to 1, and this is what minimum value, y equal to minus 1. So this 1 we are getting at pi by 2. At pi by 2 we are getting 1. So this is y equal to sin x graph. We want to find out this graph. So now we are discussing how to draw the graph of this one. Okay, so this graph is sin x graph. So from this graph to this graph, how to find out? So only thing you have to do, entire y-axis we will divide by 1 by 3. Okay, so what will come here? So 1 divided by 1 by 3. So 1 divided by 1 by 3. So this will come what? 3 into 1 divided by 1. So what will come here? 3. So this point is, instead of 1, what will come here? Y equal to 3 will come. Similarly, if you divide this one also, so what will come here? Y equal to minus 1 divided by 1 by 3. So this is what? Minus 3 will come. So this is what? Y equal to minus 3 will come. So that means y by 3 equal to sin x graph will lie from where to where? Minus 3 to 3. Okay, x-axis will remain same. 0 will be same, pi by 2 will be same, and pi will be same. Everything will be same. So here effect is what? At pi by 2, here we are getting 1, but here we will get what? Y equal to what will come? 3 will come. So here entire y-axis we will divide by 1 by 3. Correct? See here pi by 4. So pi by 4 what will come? So here if you put pi by here, pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. But in this function what will come? In this function what will come? At pi by 4, what will come? This value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 divided by what? K. K is what? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 we will divide. So what will come here? 3 by root 2. So this value will come. So at pi by 4, this value is what? 3 by root 2. Correct? So like that we can find out everything.